Welcome to AirBIM's cup holder system. This cup holder is designed like a traditional automobile cup holder with 3 rubber grommets inside the cup, and it will hold just about any cup, in which we're going to demonstrate right now. To insert your cup holder, there's no tools or anything needed. We're going to simply insert your grommets, take out your old cup holders, and the cup holder will then slide in. You're going to give it a press down, and it's in there, and it's seated in there really nice and tight. All right, so now we're going to just demonstrate the cup holder. Here I have a Mike's Hard Lemonade or a White Claw style can with a traditional can koozie on it. Everybody knows this pane. On this side I have the Seadoo Switch cup holder. On this side I have the AirBIM cup holder, and it slides down, locks it in place, it doesn't go anywhere. So we can take that out. We're going to switch this into another can koozie style. This would go right in here, slides right in, stays nice and snug. Over here, not so much. Then we have a traditional soda beer. Nice and tight, nice and snug. Stays in there. Again, on the Seadoo Switch one. That one actually goes in a little bit, but... Alright, so when we get to our mugs, they slide in nice and secure. Yeti style, nice and secure in there. Here's another style mug. Drops in, it's nice and secure. Another popular mug, again nice and secure, none of this. And then we have a traditional water bottle. So this keeps your drink steady the whole time you're on the boat. All right, now we're going to demonstrate how the AirBIM cup holder fits into the corner tables. So what you want to do is, on the corner tables, there's 3 different notches. You want to make sure those notches line up in the center of the cup and not on the rubber gasket. So what we want to do is line it up, and it's a snug fit, and you're going to line it up and you're going to push it in. Once it's in there, you can see that it's designed and seated perfectly in there, and you can enjoy drinks